All right, here we are, folks. Meyer, they had frozen turkeys on sale for like 49 cents. Maybe it was 59 cents a pound. I got this 15-pound bird for a little over $5. Now we're going to do this real easy peasy. We're going to go ahead and just chop up what we got in the fridge. No special ingredients really needed. We're just going to stuff this bird with what I ever have, with the seasonings I have. And here's what we're going to do. I've already chopped up. I've got a lemon, some apple, I got some carrots, and I went ahead and got some sweet peppers and kind of chopped them up. Over here we have onion and a clove of garlic I chopped up. Over here we got celery and asparagus. And so I'm just throwing that asparagus in there for, hey, what the heck? We'll see what happens. I've got some seasonings. Obviously I'm going to salt the bird and put some pepper on there. We're going to use a little bit of garlic salt. That's some pretty powerful stuff, so just a little bit of that. And celery salt, little basil, thyme. Now this butter, I've got this roasted garlic and herb butter spread. I'm going to mix it with some more butter, and I'll show you how I put that on the bird later. Okay, folks, so here's the plan. I'm just going to mix everything up. We've got, like I mentioned earlier, we got our apples. We've got carrot, sweet peppers, red, yellow, orange. We're going to go ahead and put them in a bowl. We've got asparagus and celery. We're going to throw that in the bowl. Our onion and our clove of garlic. It's all chopped up. That's going in. We're going to go ahead and throw the lemon in there. All right, now I'm going to just chop up a little bit of butter. Throw that in there. It's soft. Our coarse sea salt. I'll put a little in there. It's not coming out very fast, but we've got some in there now. Oh yeah, let's get the my pepper grinder here, and let's go ahead and get a bunch of pepper in there. Absolutely. And we're going to put, I already have salt and garlic, but we're just going to do a little bit of basil. Some celery salt, we're going to throw that in there. And just a little bit of thyme. It's got a lot of flavor, so we're just going to do a little bit of that. All right, there we go. I'm just going to mix this stuff up. Just kind of smash that butter in there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and stuff this bird with our little mixture from what we had in the fridge. Just going to shove it on in there. You guys have all done this before. It smells delicious. A lot of garlic. Oh, it smells amazing. From the front side, I've gone in here and I've loosened up the skin from the turkey breast. I'm going to take this little mixture of salt and pepper I've got, just put it in my hand, and I'm going to put my hand in there and just kind of smear it around. Get a little salt and pepper in there on the turkey breast inside there. Just to get a little seasoning underneath the skin. I also have another little secret ingredient I'm going to go ahead and do. Okay, I've got this garlic butter. It's herb and garlic butter spread. And you can use regular butter, whatever you want, but I'm going to go ahead, and this is just going to give it a little extra flavor and a lot more, it's going to keep it a little tender as it cooks as well. And just kind of smearing that all over the breast in there. And it's going to melt down. You can use regular butter. You can add a little, any type of seasonings you want in there. I'm going to keep the majority of it towards the top because it will melt and run down, obviously. And it's sticking to my fingers pretty bad. But we can work out. You want to be careful with the skin. You don't stretch it too far and break it. Oh yeah. Awesome. Alright, so that's that. Next step, we're going to go ahead and season the outside of the bird. Okay, we're going to take a little oil and rub it on our turkey. You can use just about any kind of oil. Olive oil, for example. I'm going to use some peanut oil today. Adds a little flavor, but it's going to make the seasonings I put on here stick. So just go ahead, get it a little damp. You don't have to be perfect. Be sloppy. Just get it all over the skin. That way, when you put a little salt and pepper on here, it will stick. I'm just going to take some of that sea salt. And you can use any kind of seasonings you want, folks. It really doesn't matter. Whatever you prefer. But cover, everything if you can. That's just a little sea salt. A little bit of garlic salt. I found the black pepper. Just a little bit of garlic salt, not too much. For some reason, this particular brand, Lowry's, is very potent. All right, just coat the entire bird with this as well. Now, I've got some things behind me here that I'm gonna do. I have some herb and garlic. I use it on chicken a lot. I might as well use it on here. It's fabulous. It's McCormick's. Or, oh, even better, McCormick's Montreal chicken. All right, this is a turkey, but you know what? It's pretty close. Now this stuff is fantastic. I use it on my chickens a lot. It comes out quite heavy, so you got to be careful. I think they need smaller holes for this stuff. I think they do that on purpose, so you use more. This is that roasted herb and garlic. Just throw that in there. What the heck? I like flavor, lots of flavor, as you can tell. So we'll see how it comes out. I'm going to now tie the bird up again. I told you earlier I was going to do that, but now's the time to do that once you get the seasonings on the outside of the bird. Last ingredient. I'm going to do a little injection. I've never done injection before. We're going to go ahead and use a little Tony's Checker injection. And this is a Creole butter type. Just go real slow. Put it in all over the breast. I'm only going to do, I think, half the bird. I keep squeezing it before I shove it in, making a mess. You don't want to go too far, or you'll actually just put it into the cavity. Also, hit the legs. And I'm not in a very good part of the leg there. There we go. We'll go into the leg here a little bit. Go real slow. I'm going to hit the thigh. Just in a couple spots, because that's pretty juicy meat anyway. All right, this baby's ready to go on the grill.